is Ivana. I'm from Croatia, small Mediterranean country in the Italian neighborhood. Since 2001, I have been living and working in Trogir, beautiful medieval UNESCO protected town by the sea in region we call Dalmatian. For 8 years, people from all around the world have been coming to my cooking classes in Trogir, where I promote traditional Mediterranean way of cooking. I'm the author of 2 culinary travelogues. The most pleasant feelings I felt during my wandering and tasting Dalmatian meals I collected in my second culinary travelogue, My Dalmatia Taste, Savors, Colors. From now, in my special offer, our fellowship is moving to the other dimension. I'm starting with live online cooking classes. So, roll up your sleeves, book my online cooking class, and let's cook together. Živjeli! Cheers! And this is my version of typical Dalmatian dish, sardines in sweet and sour sauce. Enjoy! Oh, look how delicious they look, my crostule. Let's try one. Perfect taste.